way back when they first worked together. Those are the stories that I like the most.
This is the police.
We're so busted, man! Ugh, fucking pigs! Bro, dude, calm down. Maybe they just want to chill. They don't want to chill?
I like it. Yeah, we'll deal with all this later. You seen anyone pass through here? Caucasian male, bow, dark suit.
Nah, that's silly, bro. We're all from California.
Jeez, I could have been an architect. You, don't go anywhere. When this is over, we're gonna have a long talk.
Brutality! It's totally awesome!
Why are you sneaking around like that, sir? In position on... Sir!
What the shit? He's got the upper hand. Find him before we all get shot.
Nah, he ain't over here! Hey!
Gunshot fired. Gunshot. All right. Calm down. I'm gonna take care of it. Me again. Hey, nice try. Almost had me. Hey, I'm... What?
Dispatch!
No, you don't have to do that. It's okay. I don't think you can even get here if you try.
No way this is happening.
Train number 60 for Boston will be departing from gate 10.
Not get on that ferry. Come on, man. We'll tell it to wait. I will be there in 20 minutes, I swear to God. Hey, if I could get off the platform, I would be run into you. I know, yes, I know. We gotta make that so that we can... Dude, I put this together. Trust me, I know the sketch. No, not. That's fucked up. Not do this. I would wait. I would talk to somebody. I would find the ferry captain and send him a bill and tell him, hey man, we gotta hold on. Oh, come on. Guys, please. Fine. You're gonna do what you're gonna do. That's cool. That's cool. I just remember playground, second grade. Yeah, let's think about that for a second. Saved your ass. That's... Whatever. Do what you're gonna do.
Why are you sneaking around like that? Hey, stand up! Can I help
Help me!
Dispatch, you're not in the clear. Still going on here. I'm moving in. Jesus! Hey, need assistance!
Hey, babe. Yeah, no,
That's him! We got several bodies up here. Dumb idiot! What?
Get out of my way! Get out of my way!
Dispatch, some kind of fighting here. Gonna check it. He's in the sky!
the killer! The one they've been after! It's him! If I could get off the platform, I would be running to you. I know, yes, I know. We gotta make that so that we can... Dude, I put this together! Trust me, I know the schedule. No, it's not.
Look, they just ordered us to cancel all lines in and out of the station. Some kind of murder investigation.
I would find the
Already closed off all the tracks.
and slip him a bill
Yeah,
and tell him, hey, man,
I'm
we got
pretty
a
sure
hold
they
on.
can do that. They're the police.
Come on.
What do you want from me? Hey, you know, it's my ass on the line.
You're gonna do what you're gonna do. That's cool. I remember playground second grade. Yeah, let's think about that for a second. Saint Jude. Whatever. What are you gonna do? I don't understand that thing.
Just give me a break, okay?
Hello?
Yeah.
No, hey, hi. Yeah, no, I didn't recognize the number. Yes, I'm surprised you called me after that. Oh, hey, how are you? Oh, God. It's out of my control.
Hey, yeah, I'm sorry. No. Well, I've been sitting here and two trains
Hi,
come by.
it's
It's
me.
just that...
I'm supposed to start freaking out. The train out
Dispatch. Yeah, I got an inbound train down the platform.
You were right. The arms dealer is after Victoria. I need to stop him before he gets too close.
Man, he already too close. You want my advice? You take that girl and you run.
I never did believe in running.
According to my sources, girl is in Chicago. Me and the boys are leaving ASAP. I need you along to spearhead the operation. Are you in? Wait.
I heard you. You want me to snatch some chick?
Name's Victoria. Tom is gonna call you, tell you how to find her. She's in hiding somewhere. You got that?
That's a lot of hassle for one chick. She must be special. I need to bring my boys. That means double my fee.
Take Lenny with you. He can bring her back when you find her.
Lenny, limp dick? Triple my fee. Sorry, the kid's a dipshit.
25.
39.
26.
37.
30.
35.
Deal. Lenny, come give the man a line.
Come on, limp dick. Limp dick Lenny.
Shut up, Wade!
I like good old Wade, I really do.
Son of a bitch makes my skin crawl.
That's probably why I like